Zero trust, and I hope most people get this now, because when I started saying this X number of years ago, people always threw stuff at me and said, well, Garret, zero trust is a network concept. And I'm like, what? I don't even understand that. A network is one way to transfer an identity, but it's not. Zero trust is nothing. I mean, the whole concept of look up, God, what was Google's version of this? It was Beyond Corp. Everyone
Yep.
look up Google. Yeah, you know it, Matt. Look up Beyond
Yeah.
Corp. Why the hell, guys, think about this one. Why the hell would Google come up with zero trust around a network concept, right? Their whole idea Beyond Corp was to say you don't need a network. That
Well,
we
to be specific, what they say is the network lends no trust to any type of any type of security calculation. The network's irrelevant. Is basically what they
and you
say.
think about when that was published, somewhere was that 2008, 2010, 12, somewhere right there. I mean, I was literally working at, I think, Cisco then. When you said security, and if I went to a company in the security, the Matt Fitch they would throw at me would be a guy that really, it was a CCIE, right? That really knew his way around the Cisco router and said, I can block this port, I can drop these packets, I can do that. And the revolution of Beyond Corp and Zero Trust was, guys, we can implement this security. We can implement security without network devices. And that was really bold, because it was always considered before then that, hey, the network would secure us. And then the application, that goofy little thing with those boring programmers, they will just throw up the right page or bring the right data that we need. And us network security guys will bring that packet and then deliver it. And I think that, yeah.
I mean, I remember those days, Garret, which weren't that long ago, where business applications weren't built out of a web browser, and they weren't compatible with single sign-on. And even if they were compatible with single sign-on, you probably didn't have that set up in your organization. And even if you did, it probably didn't work with the application you were trying to use. So, I mean, you really, there's some dependencies here, right? We need to have sort of a standardized method from a user perspective of interacting with a computer, which these days is in the web browser, right? Using web tech. And, on top of that, have a place that we could stick federated auth in and make sure that everyone knows how to use it, right?